Welcome to the online class of STBA. I hope you all are well. This class is for class 5. Myself, Brijita Prohit. In this class, we are going to learn about noun gender. So let's start the class. Noun gender. There are four kinds of gender: masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. A male member of species is known as masculine gender noun. For example, uncle, king, hero, bull. A female member of species is a feminine gender noun. Example, aunt, queen, heroine, cow. A common gender noun is used for either both male and female. For example, leader, student, pilot. Neuter gender noun refers to member of species which is neither male or female. It's used for non-living things like tree, car, eye. Masculine and feminine gender. Masculine gender father, feminine mother. King, queen, nephew, niece, son, daughter, grandfather, grandmother, bull, cow, peacock, peahen, horse, mare. Okay, so there are so many words from masculine and feminine we will see in forward classes. Now common gender, what are the common gender? Which are common used for the masculine and feminine called common gender. For example, teacher, student, leader, doctor. Okay students. Now neuter gender, which are the non-living things: pencil, water, chair, book. Okay students, now we will do some exercises. This is the underlined noun from masculine to feminine gender. We have to change the underlined word from masculine to feminine. Okay student. So first sentence, the boy come first in class. So what we have to do? We have to change the gender of underlined word. So underlined word is boy. What is the boy's feminine? Girl. So the girl come first in class. Second one, the man came in the evening. So what is the feminine of man? Woman. The woman came in the evening. Third, our nephew went to Delhi. So what is the feminine of nephew? It's niece. Okay. The king is riding horse while prince is playing. So what is the feminine of king? Queen. We read this from the class 1. We are reading this: king, queen, prince, princess. So this kind of exercise you may come across. Okay students. Exercise. Change the underlined noun from feminine to masculine. So in this we have to change the gender from feminine to masculine. For example, if there is a girl, boy, king, queen, grandmother, grandfather, father, mother, brother, sister, brother. Okay students. So the first sentence, the girl is waiting for her mother. So here the word girl and mother, these are the feminine. We have to convert these in masculine gender. So what is the masculine of girl? Boy. The boy is waiting for her mother's masculine is father. So we have to write father. So the sentence will be, the boy is waiting for her father. Move to second sentence. The queen loved the peahen. So queen's masculine, king. Peahen's masculine, peacock. So what we have to write? The king loved the peacock. Okay students. Third sentence. The milkmaid gave us milk. What is the milkmaid's masculine? Milkman. The milkman gave us milk. Next sentence. My grandmother went to temple. What is the masculine of grandmother? Grandfather. My grandfather went to temple. Okay students, I hope you understood this. Have a good day. Now, one more exercise students. Underline noun with M for masculine, F for feminine, C for common and N for neuter. Means in this exercise, in these sentences, we have to find this kind of four gender and we have to underline and we have to write the capital letter. For example, if the word is masculine, we have to write M. If the word is feminine, we have to write F. If the sentence is common noun, common gender, we have to write C. Or if there is a neuter gender, we have to write N. Okay, student? So let's start. The waiter serve food. Waiter. Waiter means masculine. So we have to underline it and we have to write M. The food was cooked by mother. The food was cooked by mother. Food comes in a common. Mother, feminine. So we have to write F here. Okay, students? The boy studies in that school. Boy comes masculine gender. Yes. My brother called the doctor. Brother comes in a masculine gender category. Okay, students? Now, the boy helped the old woman by carrying her bags. Boy, masculine. Old woman. Yes, feminine. By carrying her bags. Bags comes in a bags is a non-living things. So non-living thing comes in the category of neuter gender. Okay, students. So these are the four kind of gender: masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. Masculine stands for male species. Feminine stands for female species. Common stands for both male and female. For example, doctor, teacher, pilot, police, okay, driver, like this. And neuter means non-living things. Okay, students, I hope you understood. Thank you.